I dedicate this song to all the ladies who will be on the stage tonight. We're proud of all of them. We're very proud. Thank you. Ke motlotlo ka wena ngwana wa Soweto, ke motlotlo ka wena ngwana wa Soweto, ngwana we wa Soweto, lerato la ka ngwanana kaofela re motlotlo Thank you. Thank you very much.